What is the format of a linear differential equation? dy by dx
plus py is equal to q.
Py is equal to q. This is a linear differential. I'll tell you, yesterday I told you how to solve this. First, we have to calculate integral factor.
Yes, sir.
One question to you. What is P and Q? Are they constant? Are they numbers?
Functions of x.
Functions of x.
Functions of x. If y is only once, P and Q are functions of x.
Yes,
what is
sir.
the method to calculate integral factor? E raised to
integral p dx.
Then what will be the solution?
So
Y
multiply
into
both.
integral factor
Yes, sir.
is equal to integral of q into integral factor into dx plus c. Now let's have a look at another kind. Dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here p and q are functions of y. Here p and q are functions of x. So if x occurs only once, if x is occurring only once, then immediately you should think of dx by dy. Then integral factor would become, all x will become y, integral p dy will become. And the solution would become x into integral factor is equal to q into integral factor into dy plus c. This would be the solution if it is x is only once. Now today we will be doing one problem on this, one problem on this, then you will be able to clearly understand. So let me put the first problem to you. Let this be there. I'll go for a new page. Okay. The first problem of linear differential equation. Last time I did how many questions? 2 questions I had. From your textbook and solving. I had done till cos square dy by dx, correct now?
Yes.
This problem done x plus 2 y cube into dy by dx is equal to y. Did you notice that here x is only once?
Yes, sir.
In this equation, x only once. If x is only once, immediately your mind should work. Dx by dy plus p what x is equal to q. So you need dx by dy. So you will cross multiply x plus 2y cube. You can start with me. Is equal to y into dx by dy. Now let's arrange it in this format. Y dx by dy is equal to x plus 2y cube. I purposely wrote this once again in reverse way. So dx by dy minus, okay, is equal to, I'll not write minus now. I'll transfer it after division. Is equal to x divided by y plus 2y square. I divided both by y. Now I need to make it in this format. So dx by dy minus x upon y is 2y square. So now p is minus 1 by y and q is 2y square. Both are functions of y. So we have got it in this format. Now first calculate integral factor. E raised to integral, tell me what is the integral factor? E raised to?
P dx.
P dy. Because the function is in y, so integration is possible only in y. So e raised to integral minus 1 by y dy. That is e raised to minus log y. What to do? Take this minus as a power.
Yes,
E raised to log y raised to minus 1. That is y raised to minus 1. So the integral factor is 1 by y. Is it okay?
Yes,
now
sir.
we will write the solution. What is the solution? X into integral factor is equal to integral of q into integral factor dy plus c. So x into 1 by y is q is 2y square into 1 by y dy plus c. So x upon y is equal to 1y will get cancelled, 2y square by 2 plus c. So if you want, you can cross multiply or you can write this as a general solution.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood this type of problem. So you have
Yes,
to
sir.
every time check x's once or y's. Now today I'm giving you all mixed questions. So let me see how many of you can recognize whether it's variable separable method, substitution method, homogeneous, linear. 4 methods are there in solving a differential equation. Out of this 4 method, you need to recognize which method. For example, in this one, can you do variable separable? Can you bring all x with the dx and y with the dy? It is not possible. If you try to do it, it won't happen. Whereas in a variable separable method, you can see directly all x with the dx, y with the dy can be done. Then you look at the degree, look at bad angle, bad power. That will make you substitution. And that's a special method. The
Yes,
substitution
sir.
method, let's have a look at it. First type of question, bad angle like this, something like this. Sine of x plus y. Then we had another question like this, dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 the whole square. Then we had another question like this, dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 divided by 2 times x plus y plus 2, right? Or
Yes, sir.
some other. This one, what was some other? Do anybody remember? What is
X
the method
plus
for
y
this?
as b.
X plus y as b. What is the method in this one? X plus y plus 1 as b. What is the method in this one? You can see
X
the
plus
common
y
method.
as b.
X plus y equal to b. So this is a direct substitution method. After that, we learned this type of problem. X plus y upon x minus y. Or dy by dx equal to x square plus xy upon y square plus, let's say, x square. This type of problem. Can you tell me what is the speciality of this type of problem?
It is
Homogeneous differential equation.
Yeah, everywhere homogeneous. Everywhere degree is same. Power of x1, power of y is 1. Power of x1, power of y is 1. So homogeneous. This also homogeneous. Degree is 2 everywhere. So here
Yes, sir.
the substitution is directly told to you. Y is equal to Vx is a substitution for this. Then after that, after we have learned this, then we came to the linear. What is the method in linear? It should be of x or y will be repeated only once. Only
Yes,
one
sir.
time a single x or single y is present only once, then it is linear. So these are the different methods of solving. And first method is variable separable, bringing all x with the dx, y with the dy and integrating. All right. So my one small assignment, I'll give you around 20 questions of all mixers. Today I'll be giving you, I'll sending you, after I make it, I'll send you. And you
Yes, sir.
will solve that 20 questions. And then you make yourself clear how you should apply for each method for each question. Okay, now practice one more question. dy by dx plus y sec x equal to tan x. Then this question you will try first. Second question you will try is x dy by dx plus 2y is x square log x. Okay, try these two questions. Fast you must solve as fast as you can.
Yes, sir.
What is P?
Yes, sir.
What is Q? Then calculate integral factor. E raised to integral P dx. E raised to integral sec x. E raised to log sec x plus tan x. So your final answer is, even you don't put modulus because there's no point in that. So sec x plus tan x is your integral factor.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now write the solution. Some student has given the answer. Yes, Sridhar is always the first to give. Good. So solution is y into integral factor is equal to integral of Q is tan x into integral factor sec x plus tan x into dx plus c. So this will remain as it is, no change here. Now separate it, sec x tan x, which has got direct integral. Once this is a derivative of sec x, so integral is sec x here. Tan square x has no direct integral. So what should I do with tan square x? I must write as sec square x minus 1. Then only the integration is possible. So your answer became sec x plus tan x is equal to sec x plus tan x minus x plus c. This is your general solution. Let me check how many of you have done. Let me go to the chat.
Sir, the original format, sir.
Yeah, that is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is the format. So this x is not required. So divide by x. 2 by x, y. When you divide this by x, 1x will go away. Sahil, correct. Yeah. 12, Sahil, Mandar, denominator 12 कैसे आया? X square by 16 आना चाहिए. जरा check करो. Sahil, no problem. Sahil, integral constant missing. Shriya, Divya, I didn't understand minus C. I think it's some typing error. Maybe while typing you must have missed out.
Also, no, in the first one I wrote plus C, but then I realized if I take
no, C can be plus or minus, doesn't matter. Constant can be any form. Shriya Sharma has taken 16 cross multiplied. Okay, very good. That's fine. Darshan 4y, yeah, correct. Okay, that is also correct. But the integral constant also to be taken. Okay, Sarang, fine, no problem. X square by 4 log, yeah, okay. Okay, fine. Everybody's answer is fine, no problem. Okay, now let's go to the one more question. Oh, what did I do? Got to record all this. So this is a differential equation. Anyway, it doesn't matter because the most important explanation here is what? Dy by dx is 1 upon x. It's not linear. But when you take the reciprocal, it becomes linear. That's all the important explanation that is required. Others you can read and understand. That's not a problem. And here we applied integration by parts. Okay, we'll go for next problem. So R being only once, I made the equation to this format. R only once, so dr by d theta plus PR is equal to Q. And our integral factor will be, integral factor for this will be e raised to integral P is a function in theta, so P d theta. And our solution will be always R into integral factor is equal to integral of Q into integral factor into d theta plus C. Theta is an independent variable, so integration is done with respect to theta all the time. Can you try yourself? I'll write little more steps. 2r cot theta minus sin 2 theta. So P is, what is P here? Is it cot theta or 2 cot theta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are busy solving, I know. So I'm going to wait for you to. So integral factor e raised to integral P dx d theta e raised to 2 integral cot theta d theta e raised to 2 log sin theta e raised to log sin square theta. Yes, somebody has given the answer. Sin square theta. So the integral factor is sine square theta. A solution is r into integral factor. So the solution, let me write here. R into integral factor is equal to Q. What is Q? Minus sine 2 theta into sine square theta d theta plus C. So R into sine square theta, angles are different. You can't integrate. Make the angles same. 2 sine theta cos theta into sine square theta. So R into sine square theta minus 2 sine cube theta cos theta d theta. Whose derivative is present here? Sine theta's derivative is present here. So I can put sine theta as t. So r sine square theta minus 2 t cube dt. You could have directly integrated this. R sine square theta minus 2 t raised to 4 upon 4 plus c. Now t I have put as sine theta. And dt is cos theta. Now replace t back as sine theta and you get your answer. So your final answer will be r sine square theta is minus sine raised to 4 theta by 2 plus c. So r is equal to minus sine square theta by 2 plus c upon sine square theta. If you want, you can write this as minus sine square theta by 2 plus c for sine square theta. So that is okay. Anyhow, you write, even if you write this way, it is fine. So that is it. Let me now check the answers. Mandar r sine square theta minus sine raised to 4 theta by 2 plus c. That's right. Divya r sine square theta plus sine raised to theta by correct. Shagun correct. You took 2 as the LCM. Okay, fine. Omkar is also correct. Okay. It depends on how you take the LCM or don't take LCM. All of you are correct. There's no problem. Okay, now let me teach you a word problem. Okay, I'll go to the next type of problem. So write down the question. Find the equation of the curve. Find equation of the curve. This curve is satisfying some conditions. What are the conditions? It passes through the origin. Which passes through origin. It passes through the origin. Then, and has a slope. As slope. That means on this tangent, on this curve, anywhere you take the slope is x plus 3y minus 1. According to the coordinate x and y, the slope will change. And it is given by this formula. At any point x comma y. On the curve. On it. You have to find the equation of the curve. What is the mathematical application of slope or calculus application of slope? Slope, no, calculus. So dy by dx is the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent is x plus 3y minus 1. And if you find what is y in this equation, y as a function of x, that will be the equation of the curve. That means if you solve this equation, whatever the answer that I'm going to get is the equation of the curve. And I'm also given a point on the curve. The curve is passing through origin. So now you tell me, what kind of differential equation is this? What kind of differential equation is this? Here you can see x only once, y only once. If y only once, our formula is dy by dx. If x only once, it is dx by dy. So I can write this as dy by dx minus 3y is equal to x minus 1. Which is of the form, you can start solving dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is the format. Your p is minus 3 and your q is x minus 1. X minus 1. So now you can calculate integral factor. E raised to integral p dx. E raised to integral minus 3x. So it will become e raised to minus 3x. Then what is your solution? Y into integral factor is equal to integral of q into integral factor dx plus c. So y into e raised to minus 3x. Q is, what is q? Q is x minus 1 into e raised to minus 3x dx plus c. Now you can apply integration by parts here. E raised to minus 3x is equal to first LITE. So this second, this first. First into integral of second, e raised to minus 3x upon minus 3. Minus integral of derivative first, derivative of x minus 1 is 1 only. Integral of second, that is cut and paste. So I can write y into e raised to minus 3x is equal to x minus 1 into e raised to minus 3x upon minus 3 plus 1 by 3 into e raised to minus 3x is e raised to minus 3x upon minus 3 plus c. Now what I'll apply? I have to find the value of c. If I want, I can multiply throughout with e raised to 3 e raised to minus 3x. So multiplying with 3 e raised to minus 3x. So 3y minus x minus 1. This minus is there. Then here plus minus again. Minus 1 by 3. 3 I've multiplied. Minus 1 by 3 plus c e raised to 3x. I'm sorry, I cannot able to write properly. Okay, let me write it over here then. So 3y, just students just check this art I'm writing is correct. So I multiplied with the 3. 3 is still remaining here. Yeah, that is over here. Okay, c raised to. When x is x 0, 0 is a point on it. So 0 is equal to 0. This if you write 2 by 3 plus c into 1. So c is minus 2 by 3. C becomes minus 2 by 3. So the curve's equation of the curve. 3y is equal to minus x plus 2 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 into e raised to 2x. Minus 2 by 3 into e raised to 3x. So if you want, you can take another LCM. 9y is equal to minus 3x plus 2 minus 2 e raised to 3x. This is the equation of the curve. They have taken a 3 common and remaining is same, 2 common. What they have done is they took this 3x to left hand side and took a 3 common. Right hand side, they took a 2 common. That's how the answer given in the book. I hope you understood. So the first condition is curve passes through 0, 2. Sum of the coordinate of any point on the curve exceeds the slope of the tangent by 2. So 2 things are here. Sum of the coordinate at any point, which is x plus y. Slope of the tangent is dy by dx. So sum of the coordinate is more than the dy by dx by 5. So from that, arrange it into a linear differential equation, where y is only once. So dy by dx will be, y will be the numerator, dependent variable, and x will be the independent variable. Now calculate the integral factor. No. So integral factor is e raised to minus x. Now please complete it and let me know. So your answer will be y into e raised to minus x is equal to integral of x minus 5 into e raised to minus x dx plus c. Y into e raised to minus x. First function into integral of second minus integral of derivative first, integral of second. So I can write your answer as y e raised to minus x is equal to minus x minus 5 into e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x plus c. So when you integrate this, one more minus will come. So y is equal to minus x minus 5 minus 1 plus c e raised to x. So y is equal to minus x plus 4 plus c e raised to x. Now the point on it is 0, 2. Now 0, 2 should satisfy this equation. So let's do that. 0, 2 satisfies the equation. Y is equal to minus x plus 4 plus c e raised to x. So x coordinate is, y coordinate is 2, x coordinate is 0. So c is minus 2. So y is equal to minus x plus 4 minus 2 e raised to x is the solution. I hope you understood this properly. Okay. Actually, we are completed. Now I'm going to give you an, I have only now application of differential equation.